Bakit what? Sabi mo mukbang.
Ayoko. Parang naman.
So this is the part where I forgot to change the mode of the camera. It was still on time lapse and I didn't realize soon enough. No, there's no sound. But I don't know what I was talking about anymore. The lights are nice. I was saying that. Probably, right? And my brother's like, vlog, vlog. And yeah, this is windmill. And my mom's explaining stuff. Yes. Back to the vlog. Hello, brother. Can you send that photo to me? From the lo-fi artist, our resident lo-fi artist Land Q. What do you think of these beats?
Lunch. Oh my gosh, I think that's actually...
So dark. I cannot see anything. Alright guys, so we have expensive chocolate right here. And since we're so kuripot, the four of us are sharing one serving. Cheers. So we got 1, 2, 3. Where's yours, ate? 4. Sulat.
But it's like charcoal.
Okay lang. It's thick. It's sweet. And it's bitter. You don't like it? It's nice. I'm okay with it. It's just too bitter for me. It's more sugar. It's pretty good. It's actually pretty good. I think it's worth the price. It's $3.75 for 12 ounce. But
For all this?
divided by 4, it's pretty worth it, don't you think? And it's too sweet for some. I like it the way it is. It's pretty good. Yeah. Ate, masarap?
Yes po, masarap.
Dinagdagan mo ng tubig.
Hindi.
Ayan.
Sapaporo.
Ay, same. Vlogger yan. Sarap.
Oh.
Huh? Ang sarap-sarap. Nagulat si Mami. Sabi ni Mami,
Anong ba yan?
ano ba yan?
Sobrang mahal.
Sobrang sarap. Oh, Gab.
What?
actually drink. Again, take two.
I hate it.
Wait, you hate the drink? Louis.
Sorry. Tastes like chocolate to me.
Boring.
Kailangan ng churros.
Ay,
Ano siya yung dip. Dip siya ng churros.
Happy Valentine's. Oo. Sige. Oh. Did you like it? I like it. What? What do you mean? You don't like chocolate? More? Well,
Needs more body.
Trauma.